My name's Todd. I'm 58 years old, and I came to Dr. Lamb because for decades I had had balding on top, and it was just getting worse over time. And prior to coming to Dr. Lamb, I had some consultations with doctors in LA that were very encouraging that they could get 3,000 hairs out of FUE, not pulling a strip out, just taking one by one. And I've come to learn that it was more of a sales pitch, that people want to encourage you to think that more is better, and also to get that 3,000, they'd go into areas which are balding. You just have to, otherwise it would look blotchy and weird. So Dr. Lamb kind of educated me about that it would be very, very difficult, if not impossible, to get that many hairs from FUE. And so I didn't want to do FUT until I came to Dr. Lamb, and he convinced me that FUT was the right way. And I didn't like the idea of cutting a strip out of my head, but it turns out that it really was nothing, and it was easy. And he was able to get, the 3,000, and I got a little mini neck lift in the back out of it, which isn't too bad either. But in 5 years or so, or 10, I'll come back to Dr. Lamb and do it again for sure.